Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at Murder We Wrote, a true crime podcast party game. This is from Kess. And this came out in 2023. And basically it's a card game. Then we're going to see 85 people cards, 65 death cards. This is aimed at ages 14 and up, 3 to 8 players, 30 to 90 minutes. So let's take a look at what the contents look like inside, since that's what we're here for. Yeah, this is some really clingy plastic. Okay. Alright, here's the instructions. Woo! That's it, that's the whole instructions. That was exciting, wasn't it? So each player's dealt 5 blue people cards and 4 red cause death cards. So the host is going to reveal the topic for the round. It's pretty exciting. Play continues till everybody's had 2 chances to be the host or till players had their fill. Count up all the victim cards they've collected. Player with the most is declared the winner. It's not unlike Cards Against Humanity. So this thing is actually fairly nice quality, comparatively speaking, but I don't think it's going to hold up very well over time. The instructions are very straightforward, so I'd be a little nervous of these being somehow falling out of the box. So if you're buying it used, be aware of that. Now there are 85 of these and 65 of the death cards, so we'll look at the larger deck first. Alright, let's take a look at our 85 people cards. If I can get the stupid thing open. Alright, so here's what the back of the cards look like. A group of theater kids. Nickelback. Ugh. Elmo. Ugh. Ugh. 3 things in a row. Theater kids, Nickelback, and Elmo. Ugh. Wow, we're like really on our way to annoying people. Oh, Sherlock Holmes. Robin Hood. Jesus. Sasquatch. Nobody could see him, he's blurry. Santa. Affordable housing. The rainforest. Oh no, the rainforest is a suspect? Weird. Public education. Common sense. Well, those two don't go together. Society. Also doesn't go with common sense. Food Network. Now I'm hungry. MTV. Blockbuster. The DARE program. Some of these don't make a lot of sense. Skype. Toys R Us. I'm not sure how Skype could be a suspect. The Economy. Detroit. Hollywood Elites. A lady with too many cats. A TikTok celebrity. The guy behind Fire Festival. Oh, that's a good one. A huge ass gorilla. The president. A Yelp critic. A bunch of hippies. I thought we already did theater kids. Boomers. Another white rapper. MLM gold level executive sales. A pro gamer. The entire cast of Survivor. Three toddlers in a trench coat. The Hulk. My Toilet. The Power Rangers. Batman. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Harley Quinn. Hannibal Lecter. Freddy Krueger. Grimace. A lot of younger people aren't going to know who Grimace is. Michael Myers. Baby Shark. The Ghostbusters. The kids from Stranger Things. They probably did it. Every Sesame Street puppet. We already had Elmo. All My Little Ponies. Goofy. Larry the Cucumber. Probably best we don't ask. Angry Birds. The Teletubbies. The Gilmore Girls. All the Disney princesses. Hank Hill. The Kool-Aid Man. The Babadook. Kermit the Frog. Scooby-Doo and the Gang. Peppa Pig. The Grinch. The Green M&M. Shrek. Gandalf. Captain Planet. Dora the Explorer. SpongeBob. Garfield. Spider-Man. Should be a hyphen there. Ronald McDonald. Tiger King. The Zodiac Killer. The Pope. Eminem. Tony Hawk. Elon Musk. Kim Kardashian. The original cast of Real Housewives of Orange County. That is a pretty dated reference. Mark Zuckerberg. Bill Nye. Genghis Khan. Nicolas Cage. And finally, Gordon Ramsay. I note a distinct lack of Helen Keller in here, which makes me hate this game just a tiny bit. Alright, let us take a look at the death cards next. So let me put these down. And let's open this up. This plastic is really well put on here. Very sealed properly. So there's the back of the death cards. Alright, first up we've got chain emails. Ooh. Screamo. Capitalism. A selfie. Millennials. Memes. Oh, I've heard those things are deadly. I don't participate myself. Gamer Rage. Oh no, I saw an SVU episode about that. Microtransactions. Wonderwall. That song will kill you eventually. A Snuggie. Heelys. Disco. Spam. Political correctness. Catfishing. 11 secret herbs and spices. Rick rolled. Oh noes. One ply toilet paper. Dial-up internet. A 10-hour roleplay session. Diarrhea poison. Student loans. 30 to 50 wild hogs. A tapeworm diet pill. Gross. Girl power. Conspiracy theories. a booty slap, electrolytes. I hear plants crave those. Y2K, nutmeg, Christmas cheer, a viral tweet, crypto. I'm assuming they mean like the money, not Superman's dog, because that's spelled with a K. The power of friendship, facts and logic, a sick beat, passive aggression, insecurity, menstrual cramps, ska music, a time paradox. Excuse me, I believe Doctor Who called that a temporal paradox. Thank you. Moral panic, cooties. I've heard that's a nasty one. Laxatives, pumpkin spice, sexual harassment training, country song about beer and jeans, weaponized cringe, parental disapproval, 5-hour-long video essays, male pattern baldness, drugs, the fun kind, LARPing, existential dread, a nat 20, fractions, vibes, too much gluten, carbs, 2-week-old tuna fish, Lord of the Rings movie marathon, Monster energy drinks, $5 footlongs. Boy, this came out in 2023. Those haven't been around in a while. Grey's Anatomy VHS box set. Do you have a VCR to go with that? And lastly, Taco Bell. That is all the cards. They are pretty nicely done. Pretty smooth. You do get kind of that weird feeling when you hold these, though, because they do it, probably because they haven't been used, but they are very easy to handle. They're not real slick. That's pretty nice. So that is what is inside Murder We Wrote, a true crime podcast party game by Kess. It seems like it's a mostly less funny version of Cards Against Humanity. This is a little safer, a little bit more politically correct. So you could probably get away with this if your friends are a little touchy about some of the older cards in Cards Against Humanity, or the offensive jokes that people, the fun people, tend to make when playing that game. So if you have some hypersensitive friends that can't handle, somebody being funny or slightly off color, then this is probably a safe alternative for that. I think I picked this copy up at Five Below, so it was only about $5 or $6. And there are a fair number of cards in there, but again, it's mostly less funny potential, less offensive potential, but there's a couple decent ones in there that could be a good combination. But the card quality is really nice. It's a very straightforward, easy game, so I think it would be okay as a party game, but it depends on the humor level that people have, if they're really offensive or have a really good sense of humor and they're not easily offended themselves. Cards Against Humanity would probably be a little bit better choice, especially the older sets, but this would be okay. But we've seen what's in the box. You've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description to various support methods. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.